It's very important to get the sizing right on the heat pump, because if it's too large, it works very inefficiently, and then you're losing the advantages of having a heat pump. Hi, I'm Mark.
I'm Jenny, and we've been building this house for nearly 6 years now. We wanted to have a low-carbon home because we care very much about the environment.
A low-carbon home hopefully should be cheaper to run than a standard home, and you couldn't get a low-carbon home just by buying whatever was on the market. So self-build was really our best option. We decided to measure the heat loss of the home because once we had decided on getting a heat pump as our primary heating system, we started contacting companies, and although we knew the actual U values of all the different, walls, roof, floors, etc., they didn't have the capability to take that information and then give us an accurate heat loss.
The walls were built out of woodcrete blocks, so this is chipped wood with a binder, and they're insulated within. The roof actually has two different forms of insulation, so it's got PIR on top and a paper fibre insulation between the rafters as well, so about 300 millimetres of insulation.
So they were coming back with all sorts of varying sizes of heat pumps, generally too large, and I was pretty confident that we could go lower than that. So we wanted to have the actual heat loss measured, so we could then say, no, this is what's needed. Yeah, the experience we had of the heat loss, so it was a very simple process. It all went very smoothly. The benefit for us in terms of the cost, so even although there was a cost in having the survey done, we more than saved that on the smaller heat pump that was installed, plus of course the lower running costs that will be associated with that.
So the other benefit of having the heat loss survey, which then resulted in a smaller unit, was that the unit that we have is physically smaller, and it's not taking up a lot of space outside, and it's also not taking up the space inside that a traditional gas boiler would have taken.
It works. It heats the house very nicely, doesn't use much energy, very easy to operate, so we're really happy with it. A very good experience.